Today, we are cutting through the noise. We've tested the top contenders to bring you the definitive list of the best short-throw projectors in 2026 that you can actually buy right now. From budget-busting bargains to the ultimate TV killer, stick with me. Starting at number 1. BenQ X500i True 4K UHD. The 4K BenQ HDR Pro gaming projector is revolutionizing the way gamers experience their favorite titles. With its remarkable ability to deliver games in stunning clarity and detail, this projector showcases every pixel with unparalleled precision and vibrancy, ensuring that players can fully immerse themselves in the action. It stands among the best gaming projectors available on the market, thanks to its bright output and longevity compared to traditional lamp projectors, all while producing rich and vivid colors that enhance the overall gaming experience. Featuring an impressive low latency of only 4.2 milliseconds, combined with a 240 Hz refresh rate, the BenQ HDR Pro provides a seamless gaming experience with virtually zero latency. Gamers can enjoy ultra-responsive gameplay characterized by smooth motion that enhances the intensity of fast-paced gaming scenarios. This projector supports response times as quick as 4 milliseconds at 1080p and 240 Hz, making it a top choice for competitive gaming. Its short-throw design, which ranges from 0.69 to 0.83, allows users to project large images in smaller spaces without compromising on quality. For example, it can create a 100-inch screen from a distance of approximately 6.5 feet, making it perfect for confined gaming areas where traditional projectors might struggle to perform. Number 2. Epson EpiqVision Ultra Short Throw LS303 LCD Smart Laser Projector. Delivers an immersive and bright viewing experience for TV shows, sporting events, gaming, and movies by accepting content up to 4K resolution, ensuring an amazing Full HD HDR picture that enhances every detail and offers vibrant colors and deep contrasts. 1. This high-quality output is perfect for those who enjoy cinematic experiences at home. Sound by Yamaha, the custom-designed audiophile 2.1 speaker system is engineered to deliver a powerful and emotionally engaging performance that rivals traditional soundbars. It provides rich and dynamic sound reproduction, enhancing the overall viewing experience. Additionally, users can seamlessly connect via Bluetooth to use the projector as a standalone speaker, allowing them to enjoy their favorite music and audio without needing to connect to the video. Number 3. BenQ TH671ST 1080p Short Throw Gaming Projector. The TV projector boasts an impressive native Full HD 1080p resolution, ensuring that images are crisp and vibrant, making it ideal for both movies and gaming. With 92% Rec. 709 color accuracy, the projector delivers true-to-life colors that enhance the overall viewing experience. The brightness level of 3000 lumens provides ample illumination, allowing for clear visuals even in brighter environments. Additionally, the projector features a high native contrast ratio, further enhancing image quality and depth for an ultimate immersive cinematic and gaming experience. Geared specifically towards gaming, this projector is designed with ultra-fast low input lag, which means that the delay between your gaming console and what you see on screen is minimal. This is crucial for competitive gaming, where every millisecond can make a difference. The refresh rate of the projector is optimized to match the maximum output of popular gaming consoles like the Xbox One X and PS4 Pro, ensuring that you enjoy ultra-smooth gaming experiences without the hindrance of motion blur. This makes it one of the best projectors available for gaming enthusiasts. Number 4. Hisense C2 Ultra. C2 Ultra is designed to accommodate an impressive range of screen sizes, from 65 inches all the way to a massive 300 inches. This versatility makes it a perfect choice for a variety of settings, whether you are integrating it into a cozy living room, a spacious open backyard, or any other location where a large display is desired. With the ability to deliver a truly expansive viewing experience, the C2 Ultra ensures minimal distance is needed for setup, allowing you to enjoy your favorite content on a grand scale. One of the standout features of the C2 Ultra is its remarkable angle adjustability. The device offers a complete 360 degrees horizontal rotation, in addition to a 90 degrees upward tilt and a 45 degrees downward tilt, providing a total of 135 degrees in vertical adjustability. This means that you can easily switch between different projection formats, such as wall, screen, or ceiling, without having to reposition the base. Whether you're seated comfortably, lying down, or enjoying an outdoor movie night, the C2 Ultra ensures that the viewing angle remains optimal and comfortable. Its robust construction includes an all-metal body and seamless joints, which together facilitate stable and precise adjustments, further enhancing your viewing experience. Number 5. Hisense PX3 Pro Ultra Short Throw Triple Laser Projector. Experience the most advanced pure triple laser light source, red, blue, and green, meticulously crafted by Hisense LPU technology. The Pro Laser engine is designed to deliver ultra-realistic colors that transform your viewing experience, providing unparalleled immersion. The projector features a super wide color gamut and exceptional color accuracy that make every image come alive, while real-time Pro AI algorithms work continuously to enhance brightness, fine-tune contrast, and eliminate noise. This results in an all-encompassing upgrade on visuals that truly elevates your home entertainment experience. The PX3 Pro projector supports a wide range of screen sizes from 80 to 150 inches, making it incredibly versatile for various setups. Thanks to its ultra-short throw capabilities, you only need to place it close to the wall to achieve a large, crystal-clear image. This eliminates the need for complicated ceiling mounts or extensive distance setups, making it ideal for compact rooms, various home theater configurations, or as a perfect replacement for a large television. And that's our list of the absolute best short-throw projectors you can grab in 2026. Whether you went for the gaming beast or the budget king, you really can't go wrong with these picks.